Hey, it's Patrick with Oros, and I want to talk a little bit more about one of the tips we give, which is Oros strike indicators are easier to put on and lock down when they're wet. Two reasons for that. One, they get a little bit grippy and they're easier to handle when they're wet. And number two, the water in between the two indicator halves reduces the friction between the halves and it just makes it easier to lock down. We're going to do a demonstration today with our torque tester. We call it our torque-o-meter. This is a tool that we use to QC some of our products. We'll put the bottom half of a strike indicator in it, we'll run a piece of line through it, and then we will put the other half of the indicator on and just see. I'll set that at 0 and just see how much torque it takes before I get to that hard stop. So I'm going to turn this, and way less than what it takes to put on or take off a bottle cap. So that was 1.76 pound-foot. I'm going to do the exact same experiment, but this time I'm just going to take the two halves of the indicator, dipping them in a little bit of water off to the side here. Now my hands are wet, the inside and outside of the indicator is wet. I'm going to put it in here just like we did the last time. I'm going to reset this to 0, and we're going to see how much torque it takes to lock this down. That is a significant reduction in effort that it takes to lock the indicator down on the line. That's the magic of putting a little water on your hands, a little water on the indicator.